I know all about. Shocking, ain't it? Is it because I could be her? Made mistakes to make me hurt. I can't fix you. Is it because I can't be her? Made me awake and make me hurt. I can't fix you. Done explaining. Is it because I can be her? Made mistakes and make me hurt. I can't fix you. Is it because I can be her? Made me awake and make me hurt. I can't fix you. This is what happens when you leave it to somebody else. If you want it done right, you should just do it yourself. You oversaturate your world with nothing but machines. You might make everyone happy, but you're dead inside just like me.